are visiting Youzu booth at China Plus 2025. This is Mr. Hong. Hello, Mr. Hong.
Hello, madam.
Mr. Hong is the Vice GM of Youzu machine. Would you like to introduce the machine behind us?
Of course. This injection molding machine is G series machine and is one of 3 machines we show at China Plus. G series hybrid machine combines hydraulic clamping system with electric injection and electric plasticizing system. It has the advantages of powerful clamping force and high speed and high precision injection. The highest injection speed can reach 500 millimeters per second. Also, the maintenance cost can be reduced. At the exhibition scene, the machine produced PET food container with an average thickness of 0.7 millimeter. In general, this product should be produced at an injection speed of over 300 millimeters per second, but with the excellent acceleration performance. Our G series hybrid machine only needs 30% of the maximum speed to complete production. Additionally, the injection accuracy is controlled within 0.01 millimeter. The product quality is better with little internal stress to cause deformation.
Food-grade ultra-thin PET rimple end with thickness of 0.5 mm, produced by 12-cavity mold. The cycle time is 9 seconds.